Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm very proud to be unboxing Astell Kern's brand new high-end portable media player, their SE-100. Now this is long awaited actually. It's destined to be the replacement of the AK380, and if you're familiar with Astell Kern's range, that was an astonishing piece of kit. And this is substantially better. Okay, so Astell Kern, they are high-end media players. They play all of the known music formats that you would ever see on any portable device, WAV, FLAC, MP3 if you really want to go there. Many of the products will stream music and all sorts of things, and as you go higher end, the DACs, the output stages and everything become perfect, and this is a perfect example. Okay, starting the ball rolling. In New Zealand, we sell the products with a case. It's a protective case, leather. There's a couple of colour options, but everybody gets blue or black. So we're actually going to start there and just very quickly have a look at the protective case. Opening these kinds of things is really easy. They've got that that classic kind of shrink-wrapped plastic coating on everything. So opening it's very straightforward. A simple nick at one of the seams and discard the plastic. Opening the case, very easy for obvious reasons. There's not a lot to it. The box, a small warranty card and basic information, and then the beautiful leatherette case. It is soft and velvet-like on the inside, and it's embossed with the Astell Kern logo. Please hang around, I'll take some close-up photographs of this so you can see. And setting that off to one side, you'll see that that's about it. Okay, we can concentrate on the good stuff in this. Now, speaking while I'm opening this again, we're just slicing this. This model now has a 8-channel or dual quad DAC, something along those lines. It has a better operating system, better processor on board, better everything. Right. Okay, after discarding the little plastic, we're looking at the box itself. Now, this may not show up well in the photo. I'll try and move it around to catch the light. This is a beautiful sort of overlay, polished overlay of the Astell Kern logo and name. Along one edge we have some basic information and its model and serial number. Lots more information in probably every language under the sun at the rear, and a bit more information here along with some more barcodes. This is a simple cardboard sleeve, and once removed we see again the Astell Kern branding. This opens now like a book to have a look at the first glimpse of this product. Now before we touch it, we're going to have a look in here. On the inside of the thing here, we've got the accessories, and including two complete sets of, in fact there's more, they've included 4 replacement protective sleeves. Sorry, these are the plastic covers that go over the front of the unit, so it's wonderful to see 4 of those. And basic information about plugging this thing in. The product itself, I'll lift it out, put it off to one side, easily removed. We start drilling down. We've got a warranty card, and we've got a sleeve with the USB cable. Now the USB cable is USB 3. It's got a traditional plug on one end and of course new one at the other. This cable is actually really good quality. I would suggest it's got some screening or something on board because it's quite stiff. Apart from that, in the very bottom here we've got a protective micro SD card which is hidden away on the bottom, so that is removed, and there's a little dummy cover for the micro SD. Okay, and off it goes. Now, touching this product and getting a feel for it, firstly please hang around for the photographs that I'll show you. Not only the close-ups of the things that will go on with this product, but also to understand just the build quality of this. The finish is beautiful. Every edge, every piece that you touch has a sense of elegance and build quality second to none. Okay, firstly, this and I take great joy in always removing these. There is Astell Kern's sort of semi-sticky cover. It protects the screen in transit and leaves you with a factory finish when you first touch the product. Looking at it, it's a massive screen. I think this is about 5 inches. So we rotate it around, you have a single knob. Now that is exclusively for the volume control. It's worth noting that Astell Kern's volume is typically 0 to 150, so very, very wide scale, very easy to select the correct volume that you may wish. If you tap the volume control, the touchscreen allows you to then very quickly ramp up the volume if required. So very subtle changes here, or very quick changes across the touchscreen. Rotating it around again is the beautiful rear of this product, where you see the design and build. There is a lovely shine and shimmer to this, and it is an excellent example of the fit and finish of this product. Rotating around, we have the 3 buttons that are iconic now with Astell Kern, associated with playback and skipping and other things along those lines. At the top of the unit are the simple enough things as far as plugging things in and out. You've got a 3.5mm stereo output to your headphones. If I understand correctly, this also supports an 3.5mm optical output as well, if you choose to take the information out digitally. And there's also a 2.5mm balanced output, and if I understand correctly, you can turn that into line or headphone level. And of course there's the power button. Pushing and holding turns it on, and of course off. Tapping it brings the screen up and things along those lines. Now I'm going to start that up, but there may be some residual charge in this. It appears to be, so you'll see as it lights up, it's going to have a load screen. We'll see as I tally the rest of it while it loads up. Okay. At the rear of the bottom are 2 exposed screws, the charging port, which I also understand is useful for data transfer, and then an SD card slot. This is a micro SD, pushing, clicks, and there's the protection sort of blank that's in there, and again a spare one is provided. Simple push in, push out. Now a simple tap is going to expose this for the first time, and you can see it's been as factory new, so we're going to explore some of these in the close-up photographs. Now what even the photographs may not show is just how elegant and easy this is in the palm of your hand. You can see some of the edges and things appear sharp, and that's by design. Sitting this in your hand and resting your thumb on the volume control feels very natural, and it uses the edges to ensure that this product won't slip easily from your hand, regardless of whether or not it's in its case. The corner, which appears in its design to be sharp, actually sits beautifully in the right palm, and it allows you to navigate this product with ease. Its operation with a simple touchscreen is so easy, and navigating it is straightforward, and it's a very pleasurable experience to use this product. It's extremely well thought out, it's snappy in its operation as well. So there we go. Astell Kern's brand new SE-100 high-end portable media player, unboxed here at the Listening Post in Christchurch, New Zealand. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.